Trading meme stocks on Solana is getting boring. Now the real action is happening. The real money is flowing in traditional finance, and so Gamestop is on another run. One of the main contributors of the prior GME run was Roaring Kitty. And Roaring Kitty is not just posting pictures of cats. He just recently made this post over here, leaning into gaming again. A post after almost 3 years of a break with 23 million views. That then leads to another price rally. So here's our initial short squeeze at the beginning of 2021, more than 6,000% in gains. The price went from $1 all the way to 60. Then people tended to sell off. Now we see a revival. And what's important here? Trading memes is a direct player versus player game. And it's a game of attention. When attention is high, the price tends to be high. As attention stops to grow, the price tends to be declining. So how can we measure attention? We can measure this with trading volume. So how many stocks are moving hand in a given time period? And so let's have a look at this. That's here at the bottom. At some point, more than 1.7 billion GME stocks moved hands in a single day. At one point, more than 1.7 billion stocks moved in a 3-day period. Then the trading volume slowed down. And of course, the price also slowly bled afterwards. Now have a look at where we currently are with that trading volume. We are nowhere near the massive movements we'd seen in the past. So there's definitely some more potential for a secondary rally, right? We needed much less trading volume now to generate a similar kind of rally. Now here's the problem with meme stock trading. The issue is that most of the time meme stocks tend to underperform. What we've got over here is GME divided by NDX. So the relative performance of GameStop to the Nasdaq 100. And when there's no short squeeze, then we simply see massive bleeding. So an underperformance from top to bottom here of 99% almost. And then after the short squeeze, again, an underperformance of 90%. So most of the time it makes sense to stay away. It really makes sense to just ride the current wave, as in potentially using trailing stop losses, right? As the price moves up, potentially adjusting the stop loss, and then when the momentum turns around, when trading volume isn't increasing anymore, then very quickly exit. Because otherwise you keep on holding the bag, seeing most of your wealth dwindle very quickly. Here is AMC with a very similar picture. AMC made slightly less gains, but look at the trading volume here. The trading volume was way larger yesterday. So it seems like there is more manipulation going on in AMC. It seems like the upside for AMC is not as large compared to GME. Right? The GME trading volume is way lower. Have a look at AMC relative to the Nasdaq 100. It's very hard actually to not lose money in this stock. If you didn't hold it directly through the short squeeze during this 3 to 4 month window, then during any other time period, you simply lost money. And yes, we do see a rally here, but it's pretty much nothing compared to this massive 99% decline that we have seen in the last 2 to 3 years. So AMC seems to be more risky, and it also seems to have less upside. I personally don't like trading meme stocks that much. I do trade meme tokens in crypto, because in crypto we've got more data, right? In crypto we can look at the blockchain, we can see what are the long-term holders doing, what are the short-term holders doing, we can see what are retail investors doing versus the whales, we can see who's potentially manipulating the price. We can't necessarily see that for traditional finance, right? Everything is very opaque in traditional finance. So I believe it makes sense to be very careful. Only risk what you can really afford to lose. The prices can easily go down by more than 90%. Don't just buy and hold, right? This is something to actively trade. If you're getting into this game, then follow the socials very closely. Follow Reddit, follow Discord, follow the Twitters, and ideally have notifications on as well, so they can react very quickly in case Roaring Kitty makes another post. So yeah, this is what's making money right now. It's following Twitter accounts. It's not necessarily building the most advanced discounted cash flow analysis. The investment markets become again a game of attention. In crypto, we know this already for a long time. The stock market is turning into an attention game as well now. Don't make the mistake of holding the bag when attention is declining. Ride the current wave, but exit very quickly, take profit as attention potentially dwindles again at some point, or at least moves to another stock, right? That's also very much possible. Feel free to subscribe in case it's your first time here. Feel free to also give this a like. It helps the channel grow. In case you forgot Telegram, feel free to join us. The link is down below.